Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a car window that won't go up. First, let's start with some quick checks. Begin by ensuring the child safety lock on your driver's door switch is not engaged. Next, consult your owner's manual to find the fuse box and check for any blown fuses. A 20-amp fuse is common for power windows. Listen closely when you press the window switch. A whirring sound without movement suggests a motor issue, while silence points to an electrical problem. If other windows work, the issue is likely isolated. Now let's pinpoint the exact problem. The window switch itself can fail due to frequent use, preventing signals from reaching the motor. If you hear the motor but the window doesn't move, the motor might be worn out or the window regulator could be broken. The regulator is the mechanical assembly that guides the glass. Sometimes, dirt, debris, or even a misalignment can cause the window glass to get stuck in its track, requiring physical inspection. Once you've identified the issue, here are some common fixes. If a fuse is blown, replace it with a new one of the same 20-amp rating. For minor electrical glitches, you can try resetting the window motor by holding the switch in the up position for 10 seconds, releasing, then holding down for 10 seconds. Lubricating the window tracks with silicone spray can resolve sticking. If the switch, motor, or regulator is confirmed faulty, replacement is often necessary, with a new regulator assembly costing around $100 for parts. After performing a repair, it's crucial to confirm the fix. Operate the window up and down several times to ensure it moves smoothly and consistently. Check that the window seals completely when fully closed to prevent water leaks and maintain cabin integrity. To prevent future problems, make it a habit to regularly clean and lubricate your window tracks with a silicone-based spray. Addressing any new or recurring issues promptly can save you from more extensive and costly repairs down the road.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.